Fresh na fresh! Yan, kasi enough ang pahinga natin at ang ating sleep, kaya very moisturized ang aking skin for today. And for today's look is summertime!
Are you ready?
Hi everyone! Today I'll be talking about the different types of primers. So, as you all know, meron akong isang favorite, which is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore that can reduce the pores for up to 90%. So, by the way guys, ang primer ina-apply natin bago natin, after natin ng skincare and before the foundation. This one, hindi ko pa nata-try ang Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer, but it will give you a smooth feels. So, I'm excited to actually try this one. And then, Sephora Base Primer. Yung makeup nyo guys, pag nilagay nyo to, is magla-last longer. Tested and proven. And the last one is the Hydrating Glow Primer. So, meron siyang instant glow kapag in-apply nyo guys. And then, at the same time, mako-cover nyo yung pores nyo for up to 70%. And let's try! So, since na nakapag skincare na ako, toner, and then the gel, then I'm gonna use this primer. This is the one that I'm telling you guys. This is the perfect glow primer. And it's perfect because it's already summertime. Prep your lips. For today, I'll be using the lip balm from Himalaya's brand. Alright, then mix your foundation. So, meron akong 2 shades ng concealer na nabili ko sa Sephora. Ito. Then, mix mo lang siya ulit. Okay, i-absorb ang foundation using the sponge from Real Technique. Ito na yung concealer natin. Look. Lighter siya sa skin ko. Skin color. Lagyan mo siya sa mga dark spots and areas na gusto mong pantayin yung color. Yung concealer kasi mas consistent yung texture niya saka yung feel. Compare natin sa foundation. This is a concealer brush from Sephora. Yan. Tapos dito sa area kung saan may mga dark spot. Ito, pimple marks. And dito sa area. Ayan, pagpantay na, use Real Technique sponge. So for the brow, I'll be using the NARS Brow Defining Cream in Sonoran color for a more natural look. This is my first time to try this. So guys, pag kukuha kayo ng shade para sa eyebrow nyo, kailangan nag-match siya sa hair color. And at the same time, I suggest na medyo darker siya sa skin tone para mas mag-stand siya. Kasi if not, it will look like parang wala kang kilay. So katulad nito, hindi siya ganun ka-stand out. But let's just use it tayo naman guys. So, you can apply this after mong gawin yung lower, then yung upper, align mo. Then, after that, feather-like stroke. And, anyways, pwede nyo na lang balikan ulit yung brow nyo after ng eye makeup para lang mas mag-even. Okay? And also, yung step by step ko, guys, is really depends on you. May mga ibang makeup tutorial na nauuna yung eye makeup nila, then followed by foundation. To me, kaya nauna yung primer ko and then foundation para feeling ko mas clean look. So now, let's proceed to the eye makeup. I'll be using the Sephora Fill-In Instinct in Gold Edition. And these are the palette. Tada! It's very summer. The colors are very summer. And I'll be using all these brushes for this eye makeup look. Okay, let's go. In this tone. I want to use the brown one. I'm using it this side. At the outer corner of your eye. Wow, I like the effect. O, diba? Parang yan palang pwede na, no? Then, gagamit ako ng blue para ilagay ko sa from middle to inner corner. Guys, pag feeling nyo hindi siya nagkukulay, pwede kayong gumamit ng bare hands. Then, gently dab sa desired location na gusto nyo. These are the color, the shimmer blue. I just combined tong this one for my base and the brown for the outer color, and then for the inner color, yung blue glitter, to help me create that summer look. And hindi pa tapos, for my lower lash line, I'll be using the brown as well para lang mag-create ng dimension. For this area, I'll be using this petite brush from Zoeva. Kuha lang ako ng lighter color. Para lang medyo lumaki. Yan. And again, for lower lash line, inner corner. This color. So guys, the key to create the look that you really want for your eyes, don't be scared to combine the colors. And don't be scared to use your hands as well. So I like the effect that it has the glitter at the inner corner of your eyes. Then sa side na to is more to brown shade followed by parang a little bit matte. For today's contour, I'll be using the Anastasia Color Kit palette, medium to brown, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this, sa mga gusto mong i-highlight na area, you can use this. It's the matte version. I always use this shade to contour my nose and this line and the jawline. Ayan. O, diba? Ang tangos na ng ilong ni Te. And to complete my summer look, I'm using this colorful matte, the pink blush. It's from Sephora also. This is my favorite pink cheek blush from Zoeva. So I'm done with my kilay, my eyes, palette, and my cheeks. I will go back to my eyes. I will use this crayon gel waterproof glider. And another glider, waterproof as well. Another one for my eyes. The outer, going to the inner area. Para hindi lahat dark. So meron namang pambalanse. For my highlight, I'll go back to the Anastasia. Yeah. Apple of your cheeks, okay? Remember. For my lip liner, I'll be using the Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil. And for my lips, I'm using the NARS Roman Holiday. To set my makeup, I'll be using the translucent setting powder from Sephora. And here we go, guys. That's my summer makeup look. And a bit. And this is my summertime makeup look.